I'm just gonna try this big bite. Hey guys, today we got the famous cake with one egg. First, let's crack the egg in the bowl. Then I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. And mix. Then with the same spoon I'm gonna add in some milk. About 2 or 3 tablespoons. That's perfect. Then we can add the oil. 2 tablespoons, too. Now I'm going to place in my straightener and add in some baking powder. That's half a teaspoon. Now let's add some flour. 4 tablespoons. I need 1 more spoon of flour. Now it's just the way I want it. Now let's pour in the batter. Now let's place in some raspberries. As many as you like. A few more. And that's perfect. This cake looks amazing. That is just the way it's going to be. I'm not going to add any whipped cream, no icing. This looks like it's just ready. It has the raspberries. It looks fruity. It looks fluffy. Super. Alright, let's have a bite. Wow, very fluffy. Look at that. Super moist and super soft looking. Look at that. Nice. Delicious. That's amazing. I'm just gonna try this big bite. Super nice. This is a perfect treat for breakfast. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a big like. See you in the next one.